subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We need an empty jar or blue A4 sheet and cut it in a butterfly shape. Now attach the butterfly on the jar with the help of glue gun. Now we attach all the butterflies. We also add some beads for more decoration. Now attach the beads on the jar with the glue gun one by one. We need a tissue paper. If the tissue paper is not available, you can also use a white crepe paper and make a bow. Now the tissue paper strip attach at the top of the jar. Now we attach the bow at the top of the jar. Now our butterfly jar die is ready and we can also use as a pen holder. Hopefully you like my video. Thanks for watching.